Hari Om, Namaskaram. Welcome to Vidya Retreat. Welcome to the class of Most Powerful Meditation. I'm your host, Dr. Himani Vashisht. Yes, you have heard it correct. This is one of the most powerful meditation technique that I'm going to teach you. And the wonderful thing is, it is going to be very easy also. And the technique is also very easy. And for daily practice also, this is very easy. And this meditation is for everybody, even for the beginners. Even if you don't have any experience, or even you are very experienced, you are a healer, you are a Reiki healer, pranic healer, you are a psychic, you are a tarot reader, or you are into the practice of any meditation, that is also going to help you. So the meditation I'm going to teach you is called Sun Meditation. This meditation technique, the mantra was given to me by the grace of my Guru. So this meditation, yes, I won't be lying to you, it's not as powerful as Kundalini. But Kundalini meditation is not for everybody. For doing Kundalini meditation, you need years of spiritual practice. Then only it is advisable to get the attunement and to start the practice of Kundalini. Otherwise, people face a lot of problems. They get Kundalini syndrome also. I have been through many clients who come to me after this when they get this Kundalini syndrome. So in my other videos, maybe I will take a Kundalini class only for those who are really ready for it. So other than this, this meditation is very strong. You will understand the power of this meditation just in video also, when I am going to tell you about the benefits of this meditation. So what you can expect from the class, the first thing is, the class is going to be very precise, going to be very to the point, and but same way, on the other way, I'm not going to compromise with the quality of class, and everything, every word I'm going to use in the class, every concept that I'm going to explain very well. For example, for those who are already in the meditation practice, those who knows some basics, they know about what is chakra, what is heart chakra, they know about what is aura, but not everybody knows about it. So when I will be discussing about the meditation on this, so same way, for those who are beginner, those who don't have any prior background, any knowledge, so in my other videos I will be discussing all the concepts also, like what is aura, what is this chakra, what chakras are. So what can you expect from the class other than this? In this class I'm going to teach you a very powerful mantra that I'm going to give you, which is given in India by Guru Shishya Parampara, given by the Gurus. So I'm going to give you one mantra, and if you wish you can chant it by yourself. I'm going to teach you the technique also while doing the meditation, and also I'm going to give you an audio also if you cannot chant it by yourself, so you can also take the help of audio. So the benefits you can derive from this meditation are numerous. I cannot just put them into words. Still I am going to tell you just in a very short, just because we don't have this much time. So in a precise way I'm going to tell you about the benefits. The first thing is, this meditation is going to help you develop your heart chakra, balance your heart chakra. I never say activate or over activate, because when we do, because those who are healers, they must be knowing. Otherwise I want to tell that our aim should be always to either just develop or just to balance, not to over activate any chakra. So yes, in this meditation we will be focusing on heart chakra also. So this chakra is going to make you, when we focus on this, it is going to make you more loving, more peaceful, more understanding, and this is going to help you in your relationship issues also, because you will be more sympathetic, able to understand others from their perspective. And then other than this, in this meditation you are going to become more psychic, more intuitive, with the help of your third eye chakra, your Ajna chakra. If you don't know these terms, Ajna chakra, heart chakra, don't panic, because in my coming videos you will see what this chakra is, what this heart chakra is, what this Ajna chakra is, and what are their functions. That also I'm going to explain. So you're going to you're going to tap into your intuitive mind also. Then in this same meditation, you're going to open the funnel of the divine energy. That means we're going to focus on the crown chakra also in this same meditation. So crown chakra, it works like a funnel for divine energies, and it energizes your whole body. And other than this, there will be aura cleansing also just in this same meditation. And this meditation you can do for just as long as you want. You can do it for 1 minute. You can start it from 1 minute. You can start it for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes. But I won't recommend you to do it more than 45 minutes a day, because this is a very, very powerful meditation. And in this meditation we are basically going to harness the power of solar energy, power of sun god, power of sun. So even if you see astrologically, because I'm an astrologer also, so those who do this mantra, the planet sun becomes very strong in their horoscope. And how it helps in the career growth. It helps in it gives you like a authority, power. And those who want to have fame, those who want to go in politics, those who want to rise very much in career, those who want to have some authority, it is very good for them. Those who have eye issues, because in their horoscope, if the sun is if sun is not that if sun is debilitated, then they get eye issues also, eye problems also, and many other diseases also. So those also, all those diseases also treated through this meditation. And these are like basically the meditation benefits of the meditation. And in this class it is going to be very precise, to the point. And also I'm going to use some mudra therapy techniques also. Mudras, yoga mudras are like gestures we make from the hands. So for different people I'm going to teach you different mudras, so that we can also use the power of mudras. Basically in this meditation we are going to take the we are going to use the power of sun. We are going to tap into the energy of sun and harness the energy of sun. I hope this much introduction is sufficient for you to make it clear that what you can expect from the class, what can you expect from this meditation. So this meditation is basically called sun meditation. Also I'm going to teach you a set of exercises in this meditation that you can do prior to the meditation, which are not compulsory, but if you do it, they are going to be helpful. And also I'm going to tell you all the precautions and cautions, because whenever we work on the energy, there can be some harms also. We can harm our chakras and aura also. So I'm also going to teach you all the precautions, cautions we have to take, and to open all this and to activate, balance all these chakras just in a very, very safe manner. So for now I hope it is clear. Let's move to our next class. Hari Om.